You know, an event like this, a lot of times customers don't really know what they're looking for until they see it. So an event like this comes together with the community and the different vendor partners to really show homeowners what kind of possibilities are out there.
We're out here at the Home Expo having a great time. There's a lot of energy. A lot of the vendors are having a great time. People are coming through. It's a great event for the first year. We're super impressed. Great job, guys.
It's community, right? All these community members want to find, solutions for their homes. This is one great place that they can go. All different vendors, all different aspects of their home, all in one spot, and all local.